The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra isn't just another smartphone, it's a statement. Samsung has taken everything we loved about its predecessor and elevated it to a whole new level. With a sleek titanium design, groundbreaking performance, and jaw-dropping camera capabilities, this device is built for those who want nothing but the best. From power users to creative professionals, the Galaxy S26 Ultra delivers innovation, elegance, and endurance in one premium package. Let's break down why this might just be Samsung's most complete flagship yet. Fire immersive display with S Pen magic. At the heart of the Galaxy S26 Ultra lies a massive 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display with razor-thin bezels and a super-smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you're binge-watching, gaming, or creating content, this screen brings your world to life. And yes, the beloved S Pen is back. Perfect for note-taking, sketching, and precision tasks, it turns your smartphone into a portable productivity powerhouse. Gemstone titanium design, lighter, stronger, sleeker. Samsung has gone bold with a titanium frame, giving the S26 Ultra a premium yet lightweight feel. At just 8.1 mm thin, it fits comfortably in hand while offering serious durability with an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. The simplified camera layout keeps things clean and minimalist, a design that's as functional as it is stylish. Camera with flash next-level cameras, 200MP main sensor. Photography lovers, get ready. The Galaxy S26 Ultra features a cutting-edge quad-lens camera setup. 200MP main sensor, ultra-sharp details like never before. 50MP ultra-wide for breathtaking landscapes and group shots. 50MP periscope lens, 5x optical zoom to capture distant magic. 12MP telephoto, ideal for portrait perfection. Laser autofocus sensor, fast, precise focus in any lighting. And while the front camera details are still under wraps, expect major improvements for your selfies and video calls. High voltage blazing fast performance with Gen2 Elite power. Under the hood, the S26 Ultra runs on the Snapdragon 8 Gen2 Elite processor, paired with 16GB RAM across all variants. Whether you're gaming, editing, or multitasking, performance is buttery smooth. Plus, Samsung has added an upgraded vapor chamber cooling system, keeping the device cool even during intense use. Battery, all-day battery, and super-fast charging. With a 5000 mAh battery, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is built to last, even for heavy users. And when it's time to recharge, 45W fast charging gets you back to 100% in no time. Samsung's smart battery optimization ensures you're getting the most out of every charge, making it a reliable companion from morning to midnight. Floppy disk storage for every type of user. No matter how much content you create or store, there's a version for you. 256GB, perfect for everyday users. 512GB, great for apps, photos, and videos. 1TB, built for content creators and power users. And every variant ships with 16GB of RAM, ensuring top-tier speed and performance. White heavy checkmark, refined, not reinvented, the S26 Ultra gets it right. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is not about gimmicks. It's about refinement, reliability, and real innovation. With its titanium build, cutting-edge camera system, flagship performance, and S Pen versatility, it's one of the most well-rounded Android phones ever made. Whether you're a mobile gamer, a photo fanatic, or a professional always on the move, the S26 Ultra is built for you.